Opening scene. Epic cinematic music plays. Slow-motion shots show fighter jets taking off from an aircraft carrier. The camera zooms in on a sleek, futuristic aircraft, the General Atomics YFQ-42, gliding through the sky, its smooth, angular design reflecting the sunlight. A deep, commanding voice narrates. This is the future of air combat. The General Atomics YFQ-42, an uncrewed fighter jet built for speed, stealth, and precision. Designed to fly alongside the most advanced fighter jets in the world, this next-generation aircraft is redefining aerial warfare. The scene transitions to high-tech schematics displaying the YFQ-42 from different angles. Radar waves attempt to detect it but fail, highlighting its cutting-edge stealth technology. The camera shifts to a battlefield simulation where the YFQ-42 moves undetected past enemy defenses. Unlike traditional drones, this isn't just a reconnaissance tool. It's a fully autonomous combat aircraft, capable of making split-second decisions, engaging targets, and executing high-risk missions without putting human pilots in danger. The camera moves to a rotating 3D render of the YFQ-42, showcasing its aerodynamic structure. Matte gray paint absorbs light, making it harder to spot. The aircraft's wings and fuselage blend seamlessly for maximum stealth. With a design built for stealth, its radar signature is nearly invisible. Advanced materials and an AI-driven flight system give it superior agility and survivability in combat zones. A futuristic digital interface appears on screen, representing the aircraft's AI system. It scans the environment, identifies threats, and autonomously selects the best tactical approach. The display shifts to a simulation where the YFQ-42 flies in formation with F-22 Raptors and F-35s. More than just a drone, this is an AI-powered fighter. The YFQ-42 acts as a loyal wingman, providing real-time intelligence and firepower to support manned jets. Working together, they form a powerful strike force that dominates the battlefield. The camera cuts to a dramatic aerial dogfight. The YFQ-42 detects an incoming enemy jet, locks on, and fires an air-to-air missile. A fiery explosion lights up the sky as the enemy jet is taken down. The aircraft then swiftly maneuvers through anti-air defenses, dodging missiles before deploying precision-guided air-to-ground weapons onto a strategic target. Equipped with advanced missiles and electronic warfare systems, the YFQ-42 is built for both offensive and defensive operations. Whether it's taking down enemy aircraft or striking high-value ground targets, this fighter is always one step ahead. The scene transitions to a massive hangar where multiple YFQ-42 drones are being prepared for deployment. Engineers perform final system checks as military officials observe their cutting-edge fleet. The camera zooms out to show a squadron of YFQ-42s launching into the sky. As the world moves toward AI-driven warfare, the YFQ-42 is at the forefront of this transformation. Combining speed, intelligence, and lethal precision, it represents the next evolution of air combat. The final shot shows the YFQ-42 soaring high above the clouds, disappearing into the horizon as the screen fades to black. Dramatic music intensifies. This is not just the future. This is the revolution of aerial dominance.